You won't believe what's inside this Lego museum in Cavite. Are you enjoying? Hello guys, it's Shell Ermino here, and today I will show you something amazing. The first ever Lego themed museum in the Philippines, the new BRICKSEUM. Since BRICKSEUM is located along Buho Talon Road in Amadeo, Cavite, you have two options to go there. Option 1, via private car. Ito yung ginawa namin. So, we left the house at 6:45 a.m. and traveled from San Pablo, Laguna. Along the way, we passed through Alaminos, Batangas, and Tagaytay. If you're coming from the south like us, it's an easy and relaxing drive, especially in the morning when traffic is light. Option 2 is commute. You can ride a bus going to Amadeo, Cavite, then drop off at Buho Road in Silang, and I think pwede na kayo mag-tricycle papasok punta ng BRICKSEUM. And here we are, arrived at 8:25 a.m., just in time before they open at 9 a.m. The boys can't wait to see what's inside, and honestly, me too. Let's head in and start our Lego adventure! Hello guys! So nandito na tayo sa BRICKSEUM. Konting fan fact lang, this is not an official Lego exhibit, but this is powered by PHLUG, which is the Philippine Lego User Group. It's a community ng mga adult Lego builders kung saan nag-showcase sila ng kanilang mga creations or builds for so many years already all over the country and all over Metro Manila. And also, ang may-ari nito ay ang power couple na si Mr. and Mrs. Randy and Thea Protasio. So yung love nila for Lego, both of them, has been turned into a museum, a place wherein kids and adults can enjoy. To start off today's adventure, let's buy some tickets first. Dahil soft launch pa lang sila, the tickets are still super affordable. So they charge 200 pesos each for a regular ticket and 140 pesos each for seniors and PWD, and for kids to fit below, free of charge pa. But prices may change, so be sure to check their FB page before you visit. For payments naman, they accept cash, card, and online transfers through their QR code. Convenient, di ba? Bago pumasok, they will give you your wristbands that lets you explore all their amenities freely. So ayan, binibigyan na nila yung kids. Tara, pasok na tayo! The moment you walk in, alam mo na agad that this is a Lego paradise. You are surrounded ba naman by thousands of Lego bricks that is built into jaw-dropping masterpieces. From towering skyscrapers to tiny streets bustling with Lego people, there's so much to take in. many of these displays, guys, also features iconic Philippine landmarks. Each one is built with incredible detail. Look at that! Showing how creativity and patience can turn simple bricks into works of art. For kids like mine who love building, this is pure heaven. So guys, konting fun fact and trivia lang about Lego. Alam mo ba na ang founder ng Lego ay si Ole Kirk? Isa siyang Dutch at siya ang nag-invento ng word na Lego from the Dutch word leg and got, which means play well. Another fun fact. Do you know that Lego minifigures are the world's largest population, with over 4 billion of them around the world? For kids like mine who love building, it's pure heaven. You can see talaga in their eyes that they light up with ideas and inspiration, and every corner feels like a new world to explore. Look at that. Kita mo yun? RCBC Tower from Makati. What's amazing is that every display here reminds you how imagination can build anything, one small brick at a time. Just like in life, small consistent steps can lead to something amazing. Pati mga vintage Lego, yung mga nauunang products ng Lego Company, meron din dito. As per the owner, sabi niya yung sister niya daw na taga-Australia ay talagang sumasali pa sa mga auctions para lang ma-acquire itong mga vintage Lego memorabilias na to. Grabe yung passion nila, no? And this masterpiece is Mrs. Rose Patasio, the mother of the owner. They made her photo into a Lego creation too, because they want to honor her. And you know what? They opened BRICKSEUM in the same date as her birthday, which is October 26. And now let's go to the second floor. So dito naman sa taas, makikita mo na meron silang malaking Lego made na Philippine map. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, the details are so intricate. Ang galing, ano? And this is one of my favorites. The Colosseum from Rome. Look at that! You know what? Looking at all these amazing Lego creations reminds me of something very beautiful, that we are created by the master builder himself, which is our God. And in Genesis chapter 1 verse 27, it says that we are created in the image of God. It means that we are designed to create, to imagine, and to build as well, just like our Creator. And that's not just creating in terms of Lego bricks, of course, that's creating family, dreams, friendship, and all that. So it's a beautiful thing. So we are created to create and imagine. But of course, hindi lang Lego builds ang pinagmamalaki nila dito sa BRICKSEUM. They also have a small playground for kids. Talaga namang enjoy na enjoy dito ang mga kids ko. Of course, hindi makukumpleto ang isang Lego museum kung hindi makakapag-build ng Lego blocks ang mga kids, right? What's that, Roy? It's a zoo. Wow, what do you have in your zoo?
In animals and giraffes and elephants and tigers and leopards and
Wow, that's a Lego zoo. And they also have a mini cafeteria here in BRICKSEUM, which is the Brick and Brew coffee shop, wherein you can order some pastries and they offer free coffee as of now since soft launch pa lang sila, and you can have your snacks there. They also have a small playground wherein kids and adults can enjoy. And they also have their own souvenir shop wherein you can buy some Lego toys, Lego merchandise, and some souvenirs like ref magnets, keychains, Lego mugs, and Lego lunch boxes, and more. And yes, as of now, so 200 pesos, kasama na yung itong kids zipline, yung playground, and also all the amenities that you can find here in BRICKSEUM.
Wangka.
Say hi, Roy!
Hi.
At kung sa comfort room naman, yes, meron din sila. At malinis ang comfort room nila. At alam mo, nakakatuwa pa kasi yung pintuan ng comfort room is also Lego themed. Ayan, oh. Kuya, what's your favorite part here in BRICKSEUM?
All of them.
All of them. But what's the most favorite part?
The Titanic, the Eiffel Tower, the Big Ben, and the Colosseum of Rome.
Wow.
And the Statue of Liberty.
How about the playground? You really enjoyed the playground, right?
Yes, and the playground, and the zip line, and mostly the landmarks.
Approve ba? Approve ba dito? Masaya? See you.
The buildings.
The buildings. Wow, what building?
There.
There. Ah, the one
And
right
the
there.
crocodile there.
And the crocodile. Wow, where's the crocodile? Here's the crocodile. So that concludes our visit here in BRICKSEUM, guys. That's it for today's video. And tip ko lang, pag magpunta kayo dito, dapat maaga because we came here at around before 8:30 and they open at 9 a.m. For now, during weekends muna dahil soft launch pa sila. Pero dapat maaga kayong pumunta para mas ma-enjoy nyo ng solo nyo lang yung place. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you visit here. Napakabait na mga staff and highly recommended. Thank you very much.